In the future, a lot of the powers you see in superhero movies might actually become real, even the ones from Marvel. Not through magic, but through genetics and technology. So let's look at which powers could actually happen and which ones simply can't. Let's start with the coolest one, and it's genetic. Inside your body, there's a gene called myostatin. Its whole job is to put a limit on how big and strong your muscles can grow, like a built-in brake. In 2004, doctors found a real child whose myostatin gene didn't work properly. That child had unusually large, powerful muscles, far beyond normal, just from a small genetic difference. Scientists have already tested this in monkeys, too. By blocking this gene, their muscles grew about 25% bigger and stronger. So in the future, with tools like CRISPR gene editing, it might actually be possible to switch off this brake in a person. Now let's go to laser vision, shooting lasers straight from your eyes. To create a laser, you need a very specific material that can absorb energy and release it all at once, in one focused beam. The human eye has nothing like that. And even if it somehow did, there's a bigger problem. The heat and energy needed to do any damage would destroy your own eye first, since the source and the target are made of the exact same fragile tissue. So, no, shooting lasers from your eyes just isn't something we can do.
Now imagine seeing in complete darkness, or hearing sounds way outside the normal human range. Scientists are already building tiny implants and smart contact lenses that could give people senses like these. These devices don't need to change your body's biology at all. They just add a small piece of technology to your eye or your skin, and your brain learns to use this new information.
Last one? Super speed. Could you ever run incredibly fast? Here's something real. There's a gene called ACTN3, sometimes called the speed gene. It affects the type of muscle fibers your body has, and people with a certain version of this gene are naturally better at short, explosive sprints. But running at superhero speed isn't possible, like circling the entire Earth in 3 seconds, because at those speeds, the force on your legs and bones would be far more than your body could survive, and the heat from friction with the air would be intense. So some of them are possible, and some aren't. Comment below which other powers you'd like us to look into.
Subscribe and like if you learned something. Thanks.